In March 2026, a defense intelligence firm published a set of satellite images from a dockyard outside Yangon. In them, sitting on a lift alongside a patrol boat was something around 37 meters long with a distinctive cross-shaped rudder. It was Myanmar's first domestically built submarine. In 2008, Myanmar and Bangladesh nearly came to blows over a maritime boundary in the Bay of Bengal waters, believed to sit over oil and gas reserves. An international tribunal settled the dispute in 2012, largely in Bangladesh's favor. The following year, Myanmar's Navy leadership said publicly that it wanted to become a three-dimensional force: air, surface, and underwater. At the time, the Navy operated almost entirely in rivers and coastal waters. It had never owned a submarine. The first submarine came from India. In 2020, India transferred a refurbished Kilo-class boat, originally Russian-built, once known as INS Sindhuvir. After an overhaul at Hindustan shipyard, Myanmar commissioned it as UMS Min-ye Thengkhatu. A year later, China delivered a second-hand Type 035B Ming-class submarine commissioned as UMS Min-ye. Neither of the vessels were new and neither was Myanmar built. What they gave the Myanmar Navy was the training and experience that a submarine crew should have before trying to build themselves. Analysts first photographed a small coastal submarine on the Yangon River back in April 2023, 3 years before anyone outside the region was paying attention. By March 2026, it reappeared at Sinmalai Naval Dockyard in Thailand on a lift beside a Yan 9 Aung class patrol craft, likely there for maintenance. That dockyard had just been substantially rebuilt. On March 8, 2026, Myanmar's junta leader inaugurated a new 40,000 ton at the same naval complex. Infrastructure reportedly built with help from the Chinese firm CAMC Engineering. The same ceremony marked the commissioning of the Myanmar's largest domestically built warship to date, the frigate UMS Thalon Min. There is no indication that Beijing supplied the submarine itself or any components of it. What defense analysts noticed next was the shape of the submarine. The hull proportions and sail placement on the Myanmar's boat closely resembled North Korea's Sang-O class, a small coastal submarine built for shallow water, special forces insertion, and mine laying operations. Myanmar and North Korea have a long, quiet history of arms cooperation, and Pyongyang has exported submarine designs before. Technology behind Iran's Ghadir class mini submarines traces back to North Korean origins. No one has confirmed North Korean engineers were involved in the Myanmar's build. What exists is a resemblance assessed from photographs. It's worth being precise about the distinction. The evidence points towards outside influence, not proof of it. A 37-meter coastal submarine is not going to cross oceans. It's built to hide in shallow, cluttered water, exactly the environment where a small, quiet, inexpensive boat can complicate the plans of a much larger navy at a fraction of the cost. That asymmetry is the point. It's a pattern showing up across several sanctioned or resource constrained states. Thank you for watching the video.